Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu has turned down an angry opposition's demand to revoke the suspension of 12 unruly MPs. Naidu referred to no apology or remorse shown by these unruly MPs over their conduct yesterday, vandalizing the House on the 11th of August. Opposition MPs staged a walkout from the Rajya Sabha after the heated face-off when the Congress's Mallikarjun Kharge sought scrapping of the suspension. The opposition has categorically rejected any apology from the suspended MPs. The opposition has termed the suspension unfair and unjust. The government has said that if suspended, the MPs seeking an apology as per rules, then talks can be held to a deliberation and a deliberation may be done. The suspension notice says that the MPs showed utter disregard to the authority of the chair and persistently abused the rules of the House. It also called the attacks on security personnel intentional.
May kindly be revoked. The suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order.
Right, sir.
We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members nothing to do with this, but this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
These people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are indulged in this act. You try to mislead the House, you disturbed the House, you ransacked the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved, it was approved, action is taken, it is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all.
टेबल नाचने के लिए है, हाउस मार्शल को मारने के लिए है, हाउस विशल ला के बजाने के लिए हाउस है। और इतने करने के बाद भी हमने बार बार ये कहा, आप क्षमा मांगो, आप पश्चाताप व्यक्त करो कम से कम। नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे। ये क्या डेमोक्रेटिक एटीट्यूड है क्या? ठीक है, हमने किया है, आगे नहीं होंगे, ये एटीट्यूड है ना? ये एटीट्यूड देश अभी स्वीकारता नहीं है। ये राहुल गांधी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस, श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस।
ये माफी मांगने का तो सवाल नहीं है। एक दूसरा क्या है, किस ढंग से उन्होंने सस्पेंड किया है, वो रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन रूल्स के खिलाफ किया है। तो अपोजिशन की मुंह बंद करने के लिए उनकी जो पोल खुलेगी वो नहीं खुलना, इसीलिए सारे अपोजिशन पार्टी को उन्होंने सस्पेंड करने का निर्णय लेकर सस्पेंड किया है।
We feel proud to be suspended again and again and again by this autocratic, undemocratic, BJP-led, Modi-ji-led central government, क्योंकि opposition का काम ही है पार्लियामेंट में या असेंबली में जाके पीपल्स वॉइस उठाने के लिए कोशिश करना। हमने वही किया और उसके लिए बार बार सस्पेंड होने में हमको बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है।
Sir, we all want Parliament to run. We all want these issues to be brought up. but the entire monsoon session, the opposition was compelled to do what they did because certain discussions were not allowed. Sir, you spoke about the sanctity of Parliament. Yes, sir. We want to maintain the sanctity of Parliament. The 12 members should not have been suspended. The 80 members of the Treasury benches should have been suspended. We walk out in protest. So we walk out in protest. It is their fault. It is not the opposition's fault.
Right.
It is not the opposition's
That is your view. Okay. Subhash Chandra Singh. Don't. Please.
Sir.
Hey, finally washed out.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
Their numbers are not in their favor in Rajya Sabha. So what they do, more often than not, they manage numbers. And in this case, what have they done? They have suspended 12 MPs. There is this bill, which is about privatization of public sector banks. They know that the entire opposition would be united. So this is actually playing with the numbers and taking this route of unruly behavior, the facade of unruly behavior, that doesn't go down well.
100% तानाशाही है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं। आप मुझे बताइए, पिछले सत्र की कार्रवाई इस सत्र में कर रहे हैं आप? पिछले सत्र में जो विपक्ष के सांसदों ने आवाज उठाई किसानों के हक में या पेगासस के सवाल को लेके, उस पे कार्रवाई अब आप इस सत्र में कर रहे हैं। और अगर उसको आप अपराध मानते हैं तो मुख्य अभियुक्तों की सूची में मैं था, प्रताप सिंह बाजवा जी थे और कुछ सांसद थे, उन पे कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं की आपने? क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश और पंजाब में चुनाव है।